A comprehensive guide to choosing the perfect makeup tweezers. There are many factors to consider when choosing the perfect makeup tweezers. With so many different brands and types on the market, it can be difficult to know where to start. This guide will help you understand the different factors to consider when choosing makeup tweezers, so you can find the perfect pair for your needs. You need to decide what type of tweezers you need. There are two main types of tweezers, slanted and pointed. Slanted tweezers are great for general use, while pointed tweezers are better for precision work. If you're not sure which type of tweezers you need, it's a good idea to get both. Next, you need to choose a material. Two most popular materials for tweezers are stainless steel and titanium. Stainless steel tweezers are more affordable, but they can rust over time. Titanium tweezers are more expensive, but they're more durable and less likely to rust. Also, you need to decide on a brand. When it comes to choosing the perfect makeup tweezers, there are many factors to consider. What to look for in a good set of makeup tweezers. When choosing makeup tweezers, the first thing you need to look for is a good quality pair. There are many different brands of tweezers on the market, but not all of them are created equal. You want to make sure you choose a pair that is made from high-quality materials and that is designed to last. It's also important to choose a pair of tweezers that is comfortable to use. Tweezers that are too small or too large can be difficult to hold and use, so make sure you choose a pair that fits comfortably in your hand. Consider the different types of makeup tweezers. There are two main types of makeup tweezers, slanted and pointed. Slanted tweezers are great for general use, while pointed tweezers are better for precision work. If you're going to be using your tweezers to tweeze your eyebrows, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, make sure you start with clean, dry skin. Wet or oily skin can make it more difficult to tweeze your eyebrows, so make sure you start with a clean face. Next, take a look at your eyebrows and decide where you want to tweeze. It's a good idea to start with the outer edges of your eyebrows and work your way in. Once you've decided where to tweeze, gently pull the skin taut and tweeze in the direction of your hair growth. How to use makeup tweezers on your face. In addition to tweezing your eyebrows, you can also use your tweezers to remove other facial hair. If you have fine facial hair, you can use your tweezers to gently pluck it. Just make sure you're careful not to pluck the hair from the roots, as this can damage your skin. You can also use your tweezers to remove blackheads. To do this, simply grip the blackhead with your tweezers and gently pull it out.